Hey guys, how's it going? I had originally planned on doing a video on replacing the vent diverter in the Avenger this weekend. However, the part did not arrive in time, so I'm making a quick parts galore run. So we're going to go to the junkyard, even though it's like 20 degrees out and snow everywhere, just to see if there's something we can find. I noticed that on their cars list, they'd added a Subaru Legacy, so I'm going to go out and see if we can find any parts for that, and I'm also going to check for any Avenger Cavalier parts just in case. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me, so let's head out. These are cool. I like these. Man, you barely ever see a 300 ZX. It's pretty cool. It's too bad the interior is pretty stripped. Somebody sure had their hopes set up for this one. Dang. I don't hate it. Not bad. So I found what we're looking for. It's a 2008 Subaru Legacy. Actually, overall, it looks pretty good. I don't know what would have sent this to the junkyard, but I'm gonna see what I can get out of it. It is a manual car, so if I wanted to do a manual swap on mine, that would be pretty cool to do. Let's see what we can get out of this. Unfortunately, this is not the turbo model. However, I can still grab as many parts off it as I can. Alright, so my phone died while it was out at the junkyard, but here are the spoils. I was able to get a Dodge Avenger 2008 grill to go along with my 2008 bumper because I've been running without a grill so far. I might do some modifications to it before I put it on because I really hate the look of this grill, but who knows, I might just leave it, I don't know. I got this, which is the cubby for a for the Subaru. I've been thinking about doing a mod to it, so if I do, it'll be nice to have a spare. I also got a radio. This is a single AC unit, so it won't fit my car, but it was there, and I, decided to pick it up just in case somebody wanted to purchase it. So if you need a radio like this, this came out of a 2008. Hit me up and I will talk to you and we'll get that to you. I also got the ECU out of the same car and the fuel pump out of it as well, just to kind of have. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with them, but they're nice to have around. So yeah, that's what I ended up getting. I was hoping to get a hood latch cable for the Cavalier, but unfortunately all of the ones that I took off, I took like 3 or 4 of them off, and they all were rusty or crap, and I didn't want them. So I might end up going back later on to see if I can get one of those. But other than that, it was a pretty successful run. Sorry my camera died. That kind of sucks. This is going to end up being a very short video. So while I was at the junkyard today, I picked up this Subaru emblem. I kind of want to mod it. I'm not entirely sure how to go about doing that yet, so I'm going to try and take it apart and see if I can paint it or something like that. So it looks like this here is just painted on the back. Might be able to get it off with some paint remover or something like that. But yeah, first I gotta scrape off all of this adhesive goo. So I didn't do terrible cleaning up the emblem. The only problem that started to arise is started getting these little fractures in this plastic. I think that happened when I tried to separate it from the back panel. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do next time to kind of prevent that, but I'm gonna try and see if painting it will make any difference here. I'm probably gonna end up having to finish this in a later video. I want to try and fill the stars with white and do a black background, just so it's kind of like a color neutral type thing, because my car is silver, and I don't know, I just prefer slightly less color throughout the whole thing. But who knows, just give it a go, see how the color scheme works. So, sorry that was such a short video, guys. I was really hoping to do the Avenger video before, but the parts haven't come in yet, so I should hopefully have those in mid this upcoming week, so I'll hopefully be able to post that next weekend. But thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!